Hello and welcome to Profit Over Turnover. I'm Carmel Siri, founder of Profit Flow, your cash flow strategic partner, and the missing piece between revenue and real profit. A little bit about me. I'm a management accountant for over 20 years. I have worked in-house in many different industries. Over the last 8 years, I've worked directly with owner-led businesses who are doing everything right on paper. They're making sales, they're busy, they're growing, customers are coming through the door, but somehow there's never quite enough cash in the bank. That's exactly why I created this channel. When you know more about your numbers, you make more. It's as simple as that. So when you start out in business, you need sales. Every business does. As the business grows, it's often hard to balance the need for these sales with profitability. Often you are chasing more sales, more customers, more turnover. And while sales absolutely matter, I've watched too many businesses chase bigger numbers without actually building more profit. And here's the truth. Turnover looks impressive, but profit will build your freedom. You can turn over hundreds of thousands of euros a year and still stress about paying bills. You can be growing fast while quietly losing money behind the scenes. You can be fully booked, working harder than ever, and still wonder at the end of the month where all the money went. I see it all the time. Most of you know who your customer is, you know how to market, you know how to sell, and you know how to deliver your brilliant product or service. But what nobody is teaching you is how to understand what is showing up in your numbers and what they are actually telling you. And that's where I come in. My background is management accountant, but for the last number of years, I've worked closely with owner-led businesses, helping them see what really is happening beneath the surface. So this channel is not about tax returns or filing deadlines. Your year-end accountant will do that. I'm talking about the financial story behind your business. What is driving profit? Where is cash leaking? And are your sales actually making you money? Can your business afford to grow? And most importantly, are you building a business that gives you freedom? Or are you just building more work for yourself? That's what profit over turnover is all about. Every episode, we will have an honest conversation about businesses' finances, their cash flows, pricing, profit margins, forecasting, growth strategy, and why strong sales can sometimes mask much bigger problems. I genuinely believe small business owners deserve the kind of financial clarity that bigger companies pay thousands for. And understanding your numbers should never feel out of reach. So whether you're running a growing business, you've hit a revenue plateau, or you're constantly busy but not seeing the profits, or you just want to feel more confident with the financial side of things, you're in exactly the right place. Subscribe, follow along, and let's start building businesses that focus on what really matters, not just turnover, profit. Because revenue is vanity, but profit creates options, and cash flow will keep the doors open. So the businesses that truly win, they know their numbers. So welcome to Profit Over Turnover.